top 25 mobile innovator of the year goes to Syed Absar Karim. He's a digital transformation expert. So many congratulations, Syed. So with over 12 years of expertise in leading digital transformation on software engineering, so how it feels to the recipient of this award, Syed?
Definitely, it's a great feeling. I feel acknowledged. I feel appreciated. Thank you so much. And in technology, I will always believe that nothing is impossible. So I believe that this recognition is a testament for the same mindset. And I congratulate your entire team, DIGITALCONFEX, for conducting a very successful event and having us all connected here in Kuala Lumpur. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Syed. Many congratulations again.